Hello, Team YouTube. My name is Saima Ayub, and my YouTube channel name is Saima Ayub Han. I'm working on YouTube since 2021. Here is my channel link. I have uploaded more than 198 videos on my channel during this period. But unfortunately, my channel has been rejected from monetization on YouTube because of reuse content. Now I want to show you that all these videos are my own creation with my voiceover and my channel demonetized due to reuse content. Now I want to show you some of my videos content in YouTube Studio. Here are my videos which I uploaded on my channel. These videos are originally created with my own voice over. In these videos, I did not use even a single computer generated tool or a voice. If I use any music in these videos, it is taken by YouTube Audio Library, which is free. But it may be a mistake of YouTube team in checking of my channel that considering a reuse content. Even a single part of my videos is not taken from other original content owner. If I use any part in my video that is not belong to me, I use there as a reaction channel or I use that part as a supportive content in my video. Dear Team YouTube, now I wanted to play video which is my own content and with my own voiceover.
Somehow 20 till now. Guys, I'm super excited to share a video how to open the lid of Johnson Baby Oil bottle. Guys, this is not a review video, nor I'm promoting any brand. Just a video how to open the lid of Johnson Baby Oil. In fact, guys, I face myself problems, so that time I feel why not shoot a video for my viewers without wasting much time. Let's go.
Team YouTube, now I want to show you how I'm editing my content with the combination of music and my voiceover video content. Now I want to show you my software and my application where I'm editing my videos. This is the application which I'm using for editing my content. For example, let us suppose I give a demo for editing my content video. I choose a video from my gallery for editing. Dear team, this is a video which I chose from my mobile gallery. Now I wanted to show you how I select a music. This music is downloaded from audio library which is free. Here I want to show you how to record my voiceover. Just click on start button. So finally guys, cocktail lace chart is ready now. Do enjoy, like and share my video. Thanks. Dear team YouTube, this is the demo of editing of my content video which I shared. I hope you will again accepted my channel in YouTube partner program and enable my channel monetization. Thanks.